ever after. Today we are continuing our unboxing with the Pokemon box.
Pokemon Center. We're in our Pokemon lounge. We've got so many Pokemon things that this is exciting.
We got this via Bai.
Bai very kindly gives us the shipping.
Yeah.
They're a mail forwarding service where you can basically use Bai to purchase things from Disney Store Japan, Pokemon Center Japan, clothing stores, snack stores. We've ordered Japanese sweets before.
Yeah.
And then you just pay the shipping to your country after paying for the items. And Bai very kindly gives us shipping and their service to basically have fun.
Yes, so we can fill our need to travel.
So this time we've put in an order from the Pokemon Center Japan, which is an amazing place. Like,
I love it.
Whenever we've been to Japan, Pokemon Center is somewhere we visit numerous times because there are multiple locations throughout Tokyo alone.
And each one's different, and each one, most of the time, they have their own Pikachu as well.
They even have vending machines
that
have their own Pikachus.
I know, it's so good.
Here is our most recent order from the Pokemon Center Japan.
Oh, I love that little Pikachu there.
No, that's so funny. The box is adorable.
Yeah, the box.
I mean, look at the box. You got like a Pikachu in Pelipper's mouth. You got a Pikachu riding a Mantike, and then Jamie spotted just now when you open this flap.
Hi. So good.
Wow. So I think this is going to be a flip of previous bio videos where most of the things in here are Jamie's.
Is that mine?
Yeah. You say it with last or now?
I don't know.
That's huge!
It's nice! It's so pretty! Wow!
Look at his face!
Wow! I forgot I got this! It's so good! Wow!
His face! Oh, his face!
It's so cute! Look at the face! It's the best!
How soft is it? Oh, it's
so good!
Oh
It's
wow!
huggable.
That's so squishy!
It's huggable.
That is so fun.
Oh my gosh, I love it because you think that it's fine.
Literally, we saw it in the box like that. And you're
I
like,
forgot
oh,
the face.
there's a cool sleeping Eevee. And then you forget you've ordered this. Got this. It's a Pokemon face mask, which uses the original Stitch shirt fabric. Look at this. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna try it on. Oh wow.
Looks like it fits you really well.
It fits me so well. It's like a subtle Psyduck original Stitch face mask. This is really good. So if you, I think they still have the campaign going where if you spend over 10,000 yen at the Pokemon Center Japan, they also include a random mask. I really want to get an original Stitch shirt because they have like so many cool Pokemon designs.
That's really cool. This is something I got as a Christmas thing.
Oh, planning ahead.
Well, I remember, I don't know if it was a TV show or a game or something. It was a Christmas themed that, like, from my childhood, I remember the Pokemon playing with it. Do you remember it?
In a game? I'm not sure. I know in I know Delibird was in like a Christmas special Pikachu movie, I think, or Pikachu short.
But I just wanted it because it reminds me of Christmas.
Oh wow!
It's a band.
Okay, this is really cool
Yeah.
because it's relevant. The Pokemon recently released, which, and if you guys are playing the new Pokemon Sword and Shield games, let me know down below because I might try and just trade some friend codes with you to do some raids with people, or join our Discord and we'll talk in there. Anyway, this is a bag, but it's Pikachu's Adventure. All of the legendary Pokemon, including Cubfu, who's the new one.
I love the front of the bag though, because look at Pikachu. It's plush, but it's so cute. Oh, this is the plush that I thought I wasn't gonna get because it's it kept selling out.
I ordered this.
Ooh.
Wait, what? I'm really confused. Okay, I ordered this from Yahoo Auctions.
Yeah.
Because I wanted to get something from the Pokemon Cafe, as is my tradition of missing the cafe. So I got a little Grookey's Pokemon Cafe outfit. But whoever sent it from Bai Auctions included a note. This is definitely not translating very well. Keep swapping. So it goes, this is a story, thank you for the lottery. Please come in this night, thank you. And it changed to, this food comes in a bowl. Then the translation changes to, this body is a talker, I was a lottery. If someone could help me out there, because I'm not very good at my Japanese at the moment. But this is what I mean. The camera translation function, it just keeps changing.
Yeah.
And then, outside of the bag, little bag charm, and you can put them in your bag.
Aww, I like get the tag as well.
I got it for you as a surprise.
Okay. Thank you.
Because I figured you'd hang
I
it
love
somewhere.
bag tags.
I know you like Grookey as well.
Here is a Pokemon Cafe Mix mystery tin. Last time I gave you the tin that I got because it was Charmander.
Yeah, it was so good. Right, which one? Should we pick one on the front we think it's going to be?
I want it to be Meow.
I think, I'm going to go with Bulbasaur, because I know yours like Bulbasaur.
Because there's so many, let's pick another pick. I'm also going to say Lucario.
And I'm going to say Charmander.
Okay, yeah, another one. Da-da-da, da-da-da. Oh! Cute!
Neither of us were right. It's a Munchlax.
I know, I love the back because it has them as little sandwiches. We should do that one day.
Pokemon Cafe Mix is a really fun game. Like, I'm always really tempted to make the food from Pokemon Cafe Mix.
Yeah, we should.
Isn't
This is mainly for the tin because I think the stuff inside is like seaweed.
That's really cute. And it comes with some biscuits.
No, I think it's Snorri.
Yep, that smells of seaweed.
Are you really gonna try one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nothing on seaweed or seaweed snacks. It's just not for me.
Here I've got some stationery. This is a Pikachu letter set. I love having stationery because it's really good to send letters to family. It's a little sticky note pad with lots of different options there. Little hand cream.
Little hand cream.
Yeah, so cute. Oh, it smells nice. It's like lavender.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah.
Inside of the box, they have like things with various different things. Like they have an advertisement for the upcoming Pokemon movie. Oh no! This makes me want to go. I'm sad we can't go to Japan. This is basically advertising what they're doing in store, which is they've got gigantic Morpeko and Alchremies that you can meet, and you can do these crafts in store. And they got this, and they've got the Halloween stuff. And oh no!
We've got the best possible thing for last.
Yes.
This is a toy of the mascot Pikachu costume that walks. I was most excited for this. It's gonna be great. I love meeting mascot Pikachu, especially at Tootsie.
Pikachu.
Yeah. Can you walk?
Pika. Pikachu. Another really cool thing is when you inundate Pikachu with noise, he does his classic parade. Pikachu, 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 Pikachu. His cheeks flash. That's so adorable.
Yay!
So here are the orders.
I love it. That one's my favorite.
The face on that coming out of the box was a hilarious thing. But Pikachu is so adorable. I love how he just marches and sings.
I know.
It's the best.
Good. And it smells so good. Everything's so good.
And Christmas. And this one, with Christmas coming up, Delibird is the best Christmas. Well, thank you so much for watching as always. Please do throw a like down below and we'll see you guys next week.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
As I mentioned, Jamie's mum was amazing and sent us these Eevees, which are the Funko Eevee with you figures. They are so good. And there's a little Pikachu we got from the Mimaru Pokemon Hotel in Japan.